Hello YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon-to-be #1 YouTube host. Gonna cook the wife a ribeye steak, and I need to sear that puppy real fast, so I need direct heat. So I'm gonna show you a simple way to get that done effortlessly. Alright, here we go. Let me introduce y'all to the Lutani Barbecue Kettle Grill. This is a little contraption. It's about 20 bucks on YouTube. This thing is, I think, about 10 inches across this way. It's about 5 inches or 6 inches across this way, about 4 inches tall. And it creates direct heat. If you want a small portion of direct heat, you put this on your barbecue pit with this facing up. If you want a little larger area, you do it with this facing up. Today, we're going to use this side. We're going to put this in the barbecue pit. I think you can see that. We got our coals piping hot. Dump those right in there. Oh yeah, just like we like. There. Go ahead and put our grill grate on. Now, since we want to go ahead and we want to sear this steak, I'm gonna go ahead and take my seasoning, and this is basically just salt and pepper and a little bit of paprika. We're gonna put that on the steak on both sides. All right. Now we're gonna put that down on the direct heat. And we're gonna leave that on there about 2 minutes, 3 minutes on each side. And we're gonna get that seared real good. I actually wouldn't mind if we had a little fire. Get that seared real good on each side. Flip her over, other side. Then we're gonna put it back in our frying pan, and we're gonna cook it with some butter for about 3 minutes on each side. So probably a total of 6 to 8 minutes. That steak should be good to go. So we're gonna let that do its thing. We'll be right back in about 3 minutes. All right, fam, it's been about 3 minutes. We're gonna flip that over. Look at that. We're gonna leave it on that side about 3 minutes. Then we're gonna put it on our Coleman stove. We're gonna cook it in the frying pan, like I said, about 3 minutes each. Let us do its thing. We're gonna put the butter in, probably a few onions, and let it go. Be right back. Don't y'all go nowhere. All right, man, let's go ahead. While that is doing its thing, and it is doing it lovely. Let's go ahead and get us a little oil in there. Get us about a half a stick of butter. Get something to cut this butter with. Ooh, yeah. Let's flip that one more time. All we gotta say, oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is going to be, if y'all could smell those seasonings. Pepper, paprika, a little white pepper, black pepper, paprika. Get a few onions in there. There ain't nothing to this cooking thing, y'all. All right. That should be seared. Oh, she's almost too big for my frying pan. I I'm gonna have to get another pan. Guess who has to wash dishes tonight? Yeah, me. Oh, that's gonna work. Douse that with that butter. Get that fire to temperature. I've used this Coleman stove now about 10 times with the same can. I think she may be, I don't know, she's still going strong. But I told y'all in a previous video, I'm gonna tell you how long that can lasts. You've been watching. This is about 10 usages. And I'm talking full-blown meals, steak, shrimp, fish, starting fires for the barbecue pit. 10 to 12 usages. One can. I think that can will last you 2 to 3 hours. So if you ever need that can, it's there when you need it. All right, fam, she's about ready. We're gonna go ahead and cut that fire off. There you have it, a direct heat. Remember, that thing works great. It gives you direct heat or indirect heat, according to which way you turn it. I went ahead and seared mama's steak. So today y'all got a 2-for-1. You got to see how I cook a perfect steak. You got to see how I did it with direct heat. Searing the steak first, putting in some butter with some simple seasoning. So if y'all like this video, give her a thumbs up. If you don't, give her a thumbs down, and a reason in the comment section as to why. Be kind. And if you like what we're doing here, this and that, consider becoming a subscriber. And if you do subscribe, hit the old like bell so you'll be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. Yes, it is your boy Rosie. Y'all have a good day, a good week, a good month. Peace. Ah, yes, this is good work when you can get it.